Are these awesome signs when you walk in. All of our stores that are open will have these signs. Why are they awesome? Well, they show exactly what we're doing to prevent the spread of COVID and how to keep everybody safe. Customer service is still the same at Goodwill. Well, it's a little different. We're just asking that you social distance while you do it. You will also notice social distancing signs throughout the store, in addition to signs helping all to be safe. We're also asking that you do not try on jewelry at our collectible areas. Thank you. We also got these awesome stickers. They're all over our pillars and floors, reminding people to social distance and be safe. At this time, we're asking that shoppers do not shop off racks and or in carts that employees are stocking. Thank you. We also have the same thing all over our store in our toppers. That same sign you saw up front. It's a great reminder for all of our shoppers to keep safe. Our dressing rooms will be closed for now to ensure safety for everyone. All of our dressing rooms are closed at this time, but guess what? They'll be back. All these safety precautions will be at all of our locations as we open up. We're having safety for everyone. So be on the lookout at each location to have great stuff like this and social distancing reminders and signs. Once again, thank you for your support. Can't wait to see you at the stores.